Hi guys, this is me again. I got a project for my sipa sipa sipa. Dun 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 dun. Sipa sipa sipa. And also, I bought it from the store too. This one doesn't last longer. This blue one. But it's okay. It's cheaper, but Mom is a little poor. Mom is a little poor because she buy these cheap things, and so me too happy. So let's begin with the non-lasting puppet. This doesn't pop really loud, and I got blushed because Mom gave me it. Okay. Come on. Just pop it. This one doesn't last long. Guys, this doesn't last long. I'm a little tired because it's now the night shift. Okay. Let's continue my favorite side. But remember, there is always a hole over here. Remember, this doesn't last long. Okay. Okay. Now time for my human puppet. Sorry, I gotta do it over here. Okay, now let's play it. Oops, wrong puppet. I got to pop it. Tail. Say I say hey nay oh. Flip. This is my favorite side. This one pops around really loud, and it's really like my Among Us puppet, my first Among Us puppet. Yeah, it's really like my Among Us puppet, and I really want a lot of subscribers so I can get more money. And my TikTok is, when you find my name, it's the galaxy with the fonts. The galaxy with the fonts, and with the Fidgets 101 profile picture. And I did not made her profile picture gone, and did not make her profile gone. And view her link at sharksfidget.com. And if you see me, the kid that uses TikTok, not as USL on Roblox, you should really see my profile and get some new fidgets. And I just got her link so I can support her with some money. So if I support her with money, she will be super happy. So I will try and give you some puppet and give her some money and support her. And this is almost the end, guys. And if the puppet reached to the, wait, I remember that I have a new puppet bracelet. Wait. I'll be back. Okay, I locked the door so no FBI can get in. Daddy, Mommy, they can hear your voice. Those are not the FBI. Those are Mom. Okay. Time to show my bracelet now. Okay. Time to pop in. Pop. Sorry, these are mini. Mommy, they can hear your voice, Mommy. Okay. What? Okay. Pop. Then my original bracelet. If my original bracelet keeps on popping and flipping instead of this one. Appa!
Oh,
I'm recording! Stop! I'm recording!
Teka, baka
Appa!
maipit. Baka maipit. Teka, wag muna tayo dyan, Noah. Si Kuya nandyan. Teka lang.
Nagre-record ako!
Pwede bang mamaya ka na mag-record?
Okay, sorry, I have to end this. Bye-bye!